Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter Channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, Lily. Hello, everyone. It's so nice to be here again.
How are you today, Peter?
I'm doing great, thank you. I had a really relaxing weekend, so I feel full of energy. And you, Lily?
I'm feeling wonderful today. My weekend was pretty busy, but I enjoyed it a lot.
That's awesome. You know, talking about weekends is something everyone can do. It's such a common and fun topic.
I agree. Every Monday, people always ask, "How was your weekend?" So it's perfect for today's English conversation.
Exactly. Before we start, let's remind our listeners. If you enjoy our channel, don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to Mr. Peter Channel.
Yes, and please share it with your friends and family. It really helps us a lot.
Thank you, everyone. Now, Lily, tell me, how was your weekend?
My weekend was quite active. On Saturday morning, I woke up early and cleaned my apartment. It's not my favorite activity, but I like having a tidy home.
Cleaning can be tiring, but it feels great when everything looks fresh and organized.
Exactly. I played some cheerful music while cleaning, so it wasn't too bad. After that, I went shopping with my friend Emma.
Shopping? That sounds fun. Where did you go?
We went to the big shopping mall in the city center. We looked at clothes, shoes, and some home decorations.
Did you buy anything nice?
Yes, I did. I bought a beautiful yellow dress. It's perfect for the warm weather.
I'm sure it looks great on you. Yellow suits you well.
Thank you. After shopping, we went to a small cafe. It was cozy and quiet. We had tea and shared a slice of chocolate cake.
Ooh, chocolate cake. Now that sounds delicious.
It really was. We talked and laughed for hours. I always enjoy spending time with friends.
That's wonderful. Spending time with people we love makes the weekend special. So, what did you do in the evening?
In the evening, I stayed home and watched a movie. It was a romantic comedy.
A perfect choice after a busy day. Did you like it?
Yes, I laughed a lot. It was the perfect ending to my Saturday.
Sounds like a full and happy day. My Saturday was very different. It was peaceful and quiet.
Oh, really? Tell me about it.
Well, I slept late on Saturday morning. I usually wake up early for work, so it felt good to rest. After waking up, I made myself a big breakfast. Coffee, toast, and eggs.
That sounds amazing. Breakfast is the best part of weekends.
Absolutely. Absolutely. After breakfast, I went to the park near my house. It was sunny and warm. I sat on a bench and read a book.
That sounds so relaxing. What kind of book were you reading?
It was a simple book about nature and animals. I love reading in the park. It feels peaceful.
I can imagine. The sound of birds, the breeze. It's the perfect setting.
Exactly. In the evening, I stayed home, listened to soft music, and cooked dinner.
You cooked? That's great. What did you make?
I made pasta with tomato sauce. Simple but delicious.
Wow, sounds like a great meal.
Yes, it was. I enjoyed eating and listening to music. A quiet Saturday, but perfect for me.
It's interesting how our Saturdays were so different. Yours was peaceful and calm, while mine was full of activity and friends.
Yes, that's what I love about weekends. Everyone has their own way to relax and enjoy their time. Some like to stay quiet, and others like to stay busy.
That's so true, and I think it's great to hear about both sides. It shows that there's no perfect weekend, only what makes you feel happy.
Exactly. And happiness can come from simple things. A good meal, a nice walk, a phone call, or just some quiet time alone.
I couldn't agree more. It's those little moments that make the weekend special.
Well, Lily, we've talked a lot about our Saturdays and a bit of our Sundays.
Yes, but I feel like there's still so much more to share.
That's right. Let's continue in part 2. We'll talk more about what we did on Sunday, what made it special, and maybe share a few lessons we learned from our weekend moments.
That sounds perfect. So, friends, don't go anywhere.
Stay with us, and we'll see you in part 2.
Right here on Mr. Peter Channel. Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Peter Channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, friends. It's great to have you back with us for part 2 of our conversation about weekends.
Yes. In part 1, we talked about our Saturdays, how Peter had a calm, relaxing day, and I had a busy but exciting one.
That's right. 2 very different weekends, but both filled with moments of joy.
Exactly. And today, in part 2, we'll talk about what we did on Sunday, the day when many people rest, reflect, or spend time with family.
Sundays are special, aren't they? They can be quiet and peaceful or full of activity and love.
Yes, and we'll also share a few thoughts about what makes a weekend truly meaningful.
So get comfortable, everyone, and join us as we continue our conversation.
Let's begin part 2 of talking about our weekend.
Now, it's your turn, Lily. What did you do on Sunday?
My Sunday was a mix, part busy, part relaxing. In the morning, I went to church. It was peaceful, and I always feel grateful after attending.
That's a lovely way to start the day.
After church, I went to the local farmer's market. There were so many colorful fruits and vegetables. Apples, oranges, carrots, tomatoes. Everything looked fresh.
That sounds great. I love farmers markets. You can really feel the energy of the community.
Exactly. I bought some fruits and vegetables for the week. Then I went home and cooked lunch.
What did you cook?
I made vegetable soup and a fruit salad. It was healthy and delicious.
That sounds perfect. Cooking with fresh food always tastes better.
Yes, it does. After lunch, I listened to some soft music and just relaxed for a while.
I like that balance, doing things in the morning and relaxing in the afternoon.
That's right. Later in the evening, I called my sister. She lives in another city, so we usually talk every Sunday night.
That's sweet. It's important to keep in touch with family.
Yes, it is. We talked for almost an hour. We shared stories and laughed a lot. I really miss her, but talking makes us feel close.
That's beautiful. Family connections are precious.
I agree. After our call, I read a few pages of my book and went to sleep early. It was a good end to a good weekend.
So your weekend was full of activities, cleaning, shopping, church, cooking, and family time.
Yes, and yours was full of peace, reading, and family too.
Right. It's interesting. Different styles, but both full of joy.
That's true. Sometimes the best weekends aren't about doing something big. They're about small moments. Good food, laughter, quiet time.
Well said, Lily. I think that's something our listeners can remember. A good weekend is whatever makes your heart feel calm and happy.
Yes, and for those learning English, weekends are a great topic to practice. You can say simple things like, I went to the park, I cooked dinner, I visited my family, or I relaxed at home.
Exactly. And don't forget to add feelings. I was happy, I was tired, or I was excited.
That makes your English sound more natural.
Absolutely. And remember, everyone's weekend story is different. And that's what makes it interesting.
Speaking of next weekend, do you have any plans, Peter?
Not yet. Maybe I'll go hiking or take a short trip to the countryside. What about you?
I might meet my sister. She said she could come visit, so I'm really looking forward to it.
That sounds wonderful. I hope you have a great time together.
Thank you. and I hope you enjoy your hiking trip if you go.
Thanks, Lily.
Well, that was such a lovely conversation today. I feel like I know your weekend so well now.
Me too. It was fun sharing our stories. And I hope our listeners enjoyed listening too.
Friends, now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what did you do last weekend?
Yes, share one thing you enjoyed. Maybe you went shopping, cooked something special, or just relaxed at home.
We love reading your stories. It helps us all learn together.
That's right. And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Peter channel for more easy and fun English conversations.
And share this episode with your friends who are learning English. Sharing is caring.
It sure is. Thank you, everyone, for spending time with us today.
Have a wonderful week ahead, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.